papers. And if at first you don't succeed, try again. I hope no one has to go through that route because I trust you. Last year we were the top performing school in the whole circuit.
To our children, we understand that these coming weeks will demand your best focus and energy. And we want you to remember this. Exams may be important.